quick look at the Coleman propane replacement fuel cylinders, which are 16 ounce, and they're great for camping, grilling outside with your propane grill, or anything that uses propane, including emergencies. You screw on the cylinder and you're good to go. I suggest singles and also multi-pack. Here, now let's have a closer look. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.